Hello! Welcome to the recording of my brand new video. This is I'm doing the unboxing of the brand new Sony CH710N. I am so excited to be doing this right now. So just to give you some information about this, I'm just looking at the back of the box right now. It plays about music playback time is about 35 hours. It takes only 10 minutes, has a quick charge. So it takes only about 10 minutes and it charges up to 60 minutes worth of playtime in just 10 minutes. That is incredible. It has the It uses USB Type-C cable for charging, and it also comes with the headphone cable that you can plug in directly, which is pretty great. That's awesome. Let's see here. Yeah, so that's pretty much what you got on the back of the box here. Let's go check it out. So I purchased these headphones today off of, I purchased them a couple days ago, but I just received them now from Amazon. So so I got them off of, these are the Sony noise canceling headphones. They are Bluetooth, Bluetooth compatible. They are as I said before, the CH710N headphones. I am really excited. So on Amazon, they're priced at $198. Now that is crazy because when I bought these, I got them for $88 on Amazon Prime Day, which was a couple days ago. It just passed. I can't believe this. They were literally half the price. So if you didn't have a chance to get those, sorry about that. But yeah, so now they're priced at $198 back to normal price. I'm assuming the next time that these things go on sale is going to be during the holiday season, most likely Black Friday. Everybody is probably pretty excited about that. I know I am. I'm looking to get a new computer. I've been waiting to get my new HP laptop. I know a lot of people like I don't know, most people like desktops, but personally, I love laptops. You got the portability, you can take it anywhere you want to go, but yeah, that's exactly why I get the laptops. You know, I just pick it up, fold it, take up my charger, bing, bang, boogity, slide it in my bag, and I'm out of there. So yeah, let's go ahead. I'll give you a little bit more of the features. These ones are the Black Noir. They're the black version. They have noise canceling. They're wireless. On the Amazon website, it says that they have, of course, the noise canceling feature. Turn down the world. They say they turns down the world's noise and enjoy the music. They talk about the battery life. You can keep content playing up to 35 hours, which is great. And then they have the perfect addition to your home office, smart noise canceling, dual microphones feeding forward and backward, mean less ambient noise. Oh, great. Up to 35 hours of battery life, Bluetooth streaming with NFC One Touch. Oh, that's pretty awesome. That means, I don't know if you don't know about the NFC One Touch, what that means, if you have that NFC capability on your phone, you can touch the phone to your headphones and automatically it'll connect with your headphones and then you can start playing music. It's a pretty awesome feature. So yeah, in the box, as I said before, it comes with one USB Type-C cable. You get the headphone cable and you get the headphones as well. They even have a swivel design, which is pretty great. I like that swivel design. I'm looking forward to that. I'm excited. Yeah, so they're comfortable. They last a long time. Yeah, I think I should go ahead and open these now. I think I've given enough information here. Yeah, let's go ahead and open this box here, huh? I'm excited. Oh man. Oh man, I should have brought something to open these with. That's the issue with these videos, you know, you can only prepare so much. And yeah, oh, there it is. That's a beautiful sound. You hear that? That's new. I know I'm ridiculous. I can't help it, but you know, que sera, sera. It is what it is. Okay, so this is nice. I like this. Interesting. I don't want to break it on the first opening. Okay, here we go. I got an opening on the bottom of the box. I think I'm gonna try that because that top part that looks a little iffy. I'm not trying to, I'm the type of person if I try it out, if I don't like the way it works. I mean, honestly, the headphones that I'm wearing now, these are the I think they're the WH1003 series or something like that. They're the higher end ones. These are about $400 if I'm correct. Right, but yeah, they got some new ones that I think they have the fourth version of this one that I'm wearing currently. They're the ones you can touch, slide your finger up, and then when you slide your finger up, you can like adjust the volume. You can slide it right to left, and then that changes back and forward if you're listening to the music. And you double tap. If you double tap, you can automatically connect to what you're trying to listen to on whatever device you're trying to connect to. All right, so I opened it, and here it is, the cords. One USB cord. I have one audio cable, which is great. I like that. I'm telling you, man, Sony, they have great headphones. The quality is amazing. I love using these for when I'm doing my videos or when I'm doing my podcasts. I mean, when I'm listening to music, if I'm out and about, when I'm going to the store. That's honestly why I bought these ones specifically. I want to use these for when I'm recording my podcast. The new ones, that is, the 710s. I'm going to use these for when I'm recording my podcasts. It's great for you connected directly to the microphone, and then you can hear your voice, you can hear your output, you can hear how you sound to make sure that you're not, popping, or that your voice is clear, which is, I'm using a blue microphone, so it's pretty clear. All right, so let's go ahead and, nice, it comes with some, look at this. All right, go ahead, Sony. Nice. Oh man, these feel great. I love the feel of it. Oh, this is awesome. Very nice. Oh man, it comes with some little red plastic thing. Oh yeah, gotta rip that off. Oh, you see, that's that new sound again. I know, I'm too much, I'm extra. Okay, let's go ahead and pop that. Oh yeah, that new sound. I love the new sound. Oh my gosh, man, these things feel great. I love the cushion feeling of it. It feels really nice, very soft. I could imagine when you wear them, they're probably gonna be really, nice, look at that. Sleek. Oh, that's great. Wow, I am like, I'm a tech type of guy. I love technology. It is just, it keeps me going. Oh, nice. It even has a button where you could turn off the, okay, so it has like an NC, the noise canceling, and then the ambience if you want to like hear your surroundings. You could turn that, it has a button to turn that on and off with. Oh, that's great. Wow. So anyway, these are the new headphones. I am going to try these out. I'm really excited. So I'm going to try them out real quick. I'm going to take off my headphones that I'm wearing now just so I can try these. I'm going to listen to some music, and I'm going to give you guys some feedback, tell you how good they are. All right, here we go. Bam boogity. Taking those off. And just got to open this one. Oh yeah. That's that new sound. Me and the news. I'm preposterous. I know. I'm too much. So, a fun fact, right? If you really want the best quality of sound, I used to record music, so I know a little bit about recording and all that stuff. The best sound that you're gonna get is not over Bluetooth. If you play it over Bluetooth, your feedback is gonna be a little bit louder, But if you're looking for the true sound, the best way to get the sound is to use this audio cable to plug in. That's literally the best way to get the best sound out of whatever it is that you're trying to listen to. So I'm gonna plug this in here because, I like to hear the music and I want to hear it like the best way possible. All right, let's go ahead and turn this on here. Just gotta press this button first. All right, not bad. All right, let's go ahead and try this noise canceling feature. I'm gonna press the button there. Okay, that's the ambient sound. All right, so I guess we're in to the noise canceling right now. Yo, yo, yo. All right, let's go ahead and try out these headphones here. I'm gonna go and play some music and I'm gonna let you guys know actively as I'm listening to it. I'm checking out Spotify. That's like one of my best sound. That's one of the things I like to listen. I like to listen to music through Spotify. It's just, it's free. They have a free version of it. I'm sure if you want to upgrade, you can do that. But I always listen to the free music. And it's great because I have the Google Nest, the Google Home Nest device, and I like to listen to the videos while I'm just I could just tell, hey Google, play some music, and then sure enough it plays music, which is great. Oh shoot, I think I just activated it. It almost activated it. Yeah, that was not good. All right, so let me go ahead and I'm gonna try to listen to some classical music here. Here we go. Going in. Ooh. Oh, not bad. Go ahead and turn up the volume a little bit. Oh yeah. It's not bad. It's nice. I like it. Oh, there it is. That's nice. So yeah, to turn on the noise canceling, or to turn the ambience aware. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's great. That's nice. That's nice. It's not bad. That's not bad. I just turned on the noise canceling and it sounds pretty good. It turned off everything. Okay. There it is. Nice. Oh yes, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. I love that sound. Well, that's something. Seems like... Okay. So that's one thing I guess I don't really like. I'm not able to... I guess if I connect through Bluetooth, I can probably turn the volume up and down. But while it's connected through the cable, for some reason, it's not allowing me to turn the volume up and down through my telephone. Maybe it's because the phone that I'm using isn't a newer phone. But it's really nice. Wow, Sony. Sony. I know. I've had the JBLs. I really like the JBL. They have really good sound. I know a lot of people like the Bose. The Bose are good headphones too, but personally, I like the Sonys. A lot of the studios that I go to when I go to record, or when I used to record professional music, all the high-end studios that I would go to, they had Sony headphones in there. You can get I think it's the Sennheiser. I think that's how it's called. They are definitely really great quality headphones. But if you're looking for bang for the buck, the best bang for the buck that you're planning on spending, Sony is a great way to go, because you're going to get great sound quality and at a reasonable price. So you could pay like, $200, get some headphones like these, or you get the noise canceling, you get the Bluetooth capability, or you could pay like $400 and then you get these ones, these amazing. I mean, I can't even explain. Like, these are honestly, when I was inside, what I did is, I'm a person, I like to test them out. So I went to the Best Buy, because you can go to any Best Buy and try out headphones, and I literally tried them out in store. I tried out the Sony, I tried out the Bose, I tried out the JBL. The JBL, I found out they had issues with connection, so I decided not to get those ones with the Bluetooth connection. It continually drops. I've seen a lot of reviews where it said that. So it was between the Sony and the Bose, and personally, I didn't really like the feel of the Bose. I felt like they weren't going to be durable, and so I ended up getting the Sony, and they were extremely durable. It was definitely worth the price, worth what I paid for. Wow, incredible. These are really good sounding headphones. I am excited to use these to start doing my podcast. I'm gonna put my other ones back on now so I can continue to hear my voice. So so I tried the Bose, I tried the Sony, and the Sony. The Bose were the great thing about Bose is they're really good for the bass. The bass is incredible, honestly. But I think the sound, when it comes to sound quality, like if you're looking for to get the highs and the you want to catch the pitch, the clarity of the voice, right? You want to go with the Sonys. That's just my personal opinion. I'm not like the expert. If you want to talk about expertise, you probably need to talk to an engineer. The engineers know all about that. As far as like the sound engineers, they know all about that. So well, anyway, thanks for watching this video. I appreciate that so much. Hope you guys have a great, blessed day. My name is Darius. Please check out my channel. You can watch this. You can watch my videos. I'm going to be posting more stuff. Check out my podcast, Motivation with Darius. It's on Spotify. It's on the Apple Podcast. It's on a couple places. Wherever you're listening to, just type in Motivation with Darius, and you can probably find that podcast on there. Anyway, catch you guys later. Have a good one.